Alright, now that we got this electric in here, I need to put some little bracing on these pipes because I'm pretty much guaranteed somebody's going to come along and want to hang something on it. And I don't want it breaking it out of my outlet. So we're going to do a couple braces. Hopefully we can keep them from getting broke off. This is going to make it nice and tight, strong, and like I said, hopefully if somebody hangs something on here, don't pull my wire off the wall. So I got quite a few of these to do, but I'm going to take my time and just work my way around and get them all done.
Look, that's an ice cold on that paint. Ice cold on that paint.
Yeah. Brandon come up with this bright idea, how about we weld some brackets for our toolbox. So we just welded 3 brackets on the wall. Now we're going to see if we can mount the toolbox. Toolbox used to be over on that box, on that shelf there when we had that shelf in the garage down there. And that's such a nice big shelf, I didn't want to use it for a toolbox. I'd rather use that shelf to work on. So he come up with this idea, and we're going to give it a try and see if our toolbox fits on there.
2, is he going to go up there by himself because I don't want to lift?
Do you need us to help you?
no,
Us women? You need us women to help you?
Alright, teacher!
Now we have to pull it out to the edge.
You better find a way to fasten that so it doesn't...
It is fastened.
No, oh no, that didn't look strong. That look... No, I don't
Hey
trust
Brandon,
that.
I got an idea.
It's moving.
Brandon, I got an idea. No, this is perfect. Look here.
It looked like it moved.
Let's weld a little lip on that.
Yeah.
Just a little lip. Just so something to keep. No, it ain't going nowhere.
It looked like it moved. It did.
That thing weighs 200
I ain't
pounds.
gonna take that toolbox back off her, do we?
Look, it
No.
still does it. Does the wall when it moves it? I mean, I don't know.
It's got
I just don't
not going
trust
anywhere.
it.
I trust it.
Don't trust my design?
No, I mean, I just worry about it falling off of there.
Man, you can't beat that. It's nice. I'll clean all the drawers, get my toolboxes back in.
You didn't drink from it?
I'll get Libby to wash it down for me.
Libby, our little cleaner. Can I wash it?
Just a little, just 2 of them. One on the end, one.
Where are you putting one?
Just a little chunk of metal. Something,
Yeah, that thing definitely needs cleaned out.
something to keep it from sliding off.
It's filthy.
Well, we just gotta get it right on the edge of it.
Yeah.
You gotta take it off.
Oh, is this?
Yeah, pull your
You have
thing.
to take it back down?
No, we're gonna slide it back. Like that. And then we'll weld those little 2 little
To
nibs
keep
on
it
there.
from sliding off?
Yeah.
Yeah, that would make me feel better. Yeah.
Alright, let me look for a couple nuts.
You alright?
Yeah. Good to me.
We'll get that a little bit, put it around it. That looks...
Oh yeah, it'll be okay. It's grounded.
Yeah.
You're not gonna get burned by. what we did is we welded a couple blocks. Brandon welded a couple little nubs on here to keep the toolbox from falling off. If it ever did slide out, which I doubt it, it can't go any further than right there. And that's where we want it to stay. Because with that out there, away from the wall, I'm able to open up the top drawer and get our tools. So all I gotta do now is clean this box off and start getting my tools put back in it. As you guys know, over at the other property or over at the other garage, the garage was a mess. And what we're doing now is just trying to organize everything, clean everything up as it comes in, so we can have everything back to normal. You know what it is. Oh, Lord. Yeah. Better?
Weird about it, huh?
It's just fine. You keep pulling it on and off, it sticks. Alright. Get your ladder stood. You gotta calculate this. Whenever you're ready. I don't know how long that's running. That's really tight. Oh no, I'm gonna have to measure it again. That don't sound right. Did you cut this?
No, I thought you cut the first one.
I mean, that's the only one in the whole thing I've had trouble with. It says 13. 13 and 8.
A quarter or an eighth.
Let's see what this is. 12 and 3/4. So,
12 and 3/4 and 13 and an eighth, right?
yeah, give me a marker.
I don't know where it's at.
This is 13 and an 8.
And 12 and 3/4, is that what you said?
Yeah. Oh, it's only on that side. Yeah. Two. Oh, that's perfect color. Yeah.
No.
What?
Your side is in there. Yeah, it looks good.
Okay, we got one wall finished now. We got all that done. The back wall, we're going to be using some rock wool insulation because we're going to be putting the wood burner in that corner right there, and the forge is going to go right next to it. So this wall here, we'd like to do at least ways this half in that rock wool insulation, and then we can do the foam board over here. But we're going to be framing a back door in right here in the near future before we get the insulation. And on this side here, we want to do that door. Now, that's not to say we're going to put it in, but we're going to at least ways get it framed. So that wall is pretty much finished for right now. So Julie and I are going to work a little bit on this, around this door up here. And we're going to basically do it the same way that we did the rest of it. We're going to put the foam all the way around the walls, and we're going to be insulating them doors, but we'll probably do that on another video.